A Surgeon's Vision. About Surgins Surgical Limited. Surgins Surgical is the vision of a dedicated and passionate group of British surgeons based in the United Kingdom. Our mission is to be the manufacturer and supplier of the surgical instruments of choice for discerning surgeons and clinical end users everywhere in the world. Our aim is to exceed end-user expectations in terms of instrument function and form. We are setting new standards of functional quality and precision, as well as providing for end-user customization and innovation. We prioritize instrument design by taking a surgeon-centric approach. This ensures our instruments offer exceptional end-user functionality, and our designs are not compromised by non-clinical constraints. State-of-the-art manufacturing techniques ensure value for money, backed by excellent customer service across global markets. Surgins Surgical was established in 2007 in Birmingham, the UK's second largest city. Here, our head office is located in the centre of the UK's Medical Technologies Corridor, being in close proximity to London and leading National Health Service hospitals. UK manufacturing is synonymous with high-quality precision engineering and with world-class manufacturing techniques and standards. A surgeon's vision is now a reality, with a growing business developing both in the UK and international markets. We have already won a number of business awards, which we see as testimony to our focus on excellence. Our slogan is, "A Surgeon's Vision." This vision drives our commitment to functional quality, precision, customization, and continuous innovation of surgical instruments. We have successfully bridged the gap between clinical end users and the instrument manufacturing industry. Surgins Surgical instruments are developed by leading surgeons and clinicians in their respective fields of expertise. They work in close partnership with our specialist instrument designers and world-class manufacturing experts. The result is Surgins Surgical instruments not only have exceptional levels of functionality, engineered in precision and durability, but they are also cost-effectively manufactured. The result is superb Surgins Surgical instruments that demanding surgeons and clinicians want to use, and that budget holders are willing to buy. Exceptional quality. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, and skillful execution. At Surgins Surgical, we are dedicated to quality and to continuous improvement. We focus on the functional quality of surgical instruments, as this is the key to successful surgery and the effective treatment of surgical disease. The quality of surgical instruments can sometimes literally mean the difference between life and death. All surgical instruments supplied by Surgins Surgical comply with the relevant British, European, American and international quality standards, including compliance to the European Directive for Medical Devices, resulting in the award of the CE mark. Surgins Surgical operates in the International Quality Management System of ISO 13485-2003 for medical devices. This standard ensures that only safe and regulation-compliant products are supplied, and that they are backed by exceptional service levels that meet and exceed customers' expectations. Clinical credibility. The healthcare market is professional and knowledgeable. Healthcare products require clinical credibility to have acceptance by clinicians for use on their patients. Surgins Surgical built their clinical credibility by prioritizing the viewpoint of surgeons and clinical end users of surgical instruments. By adopting a surgeon-centric approach, we actively seek to understand the needs, wants, motivations, likes and dislikes of the key people in the surgical front line. At Surgins Surgical, clinical credibility is of the highest priority, and we work tirelessly to meet and exceed the most stringent standards. An extensive product range. All Surgins Surgical core products ranges have been defined by British surgeons of relevant surgical disciplines, including dental and veterinary. We have over 10,000 instruments currently available to meet the needs of most surgical requirements, and our range is under constant development. Whether purchasing a single instrument or equipping a whole new hospital, whether sourcing left-handed or keyhole surgery instruments, Surgins Surgical has the right solution for every need. We offer a genuine single-source solution of surgical instrument procurement. At Surgins Surgical, we know that by providing surgeons with exactly what they want from their instruments, this will increase the rate of successful surgeries and, in turn, help facilitate the effective treatment of surgical patients. Bespoke and signature instruments. Customization. Surgeons and clinicians come in all shapes and sizes and work in their own unique ways. It is hardly surprising, therefore, that one set of instruments will not always meet everyone's requirements. To address this issue, we offer the opportunity for surgeons to either customize existing instruments to suit or to work with us to develop a completely new design as per their individual concept, expertise and wisdom. Instruments can then be embossed with the surgeon's own name to ensure they are always using the right tools for the job. Design and product development. R&D and innovation. Innovation is our key catalyst for productivity growth. New ideas drive enterprise, create new products and markets, and improve efficiency, delivering benefits to us, our customers, and society. Historically, surgical instruments were developed, even manufactured, by the surgeons themselves. However, in modern times, changing responsibilities and strict clinical controls have modified this proven path of innovation and created a significant gap between surgeons and the instrument manufacturing industry. Subsequently, many current surgical instruments on the market lack the prerequisite functional quality, precision, and potential for customization. They fail to keep pace with the continuous innovation of surgeons to perform improved and new surgical procedures. We believe that surgeons require a platform to bridge this significant gap, a platform that allows for the continuous development of better and new instruments. The Surgins Surgical philosophy is therefore to provide a global surgeons platform based on the profound surgical wisdom of practicing surgeons. We believe that Surgins Surgical has a leading role to play in contributing to surgical instrument-related research, development, and innovation on a global front. With our partners, we are working to create the best possible innovative environment and to build our international reputation for excellence in transnational and applied research related to surgical instruments. World-class manufacturing. Surgins Surgical capitalizes on advances in design-to-manufacture technology. This leads to shorter product development cycles and streamlines the production and regulatory approval process. We can now bring better Surgins Surgical instruments into the surgeon's hands faster than ever before. Our manufacturing is a combination of state-of-the-art technology, engineering excellence, and vast manufacturing experience. By manufacturing in the UK and at international manufacturing facilities, we can ensure close contact at all times between our advisory panel of surgeons, our product designers, and our production engineers. This streamlines the process and is the most effective way of ensuring cost-effective production of exactly the right instruments. Whether the selection and testing of raw materials, the computerized control of complex machinery, or the final inspection of each and every instrument, we control every aspect of our operations with clinical precision. A complete end-to-end inspection and audit trail ensures our problems never become customers' products. Only instruments that are 100% to specification ever leave the factory. Serving a global market. Surgical operations of all kinds are being carried out every second of every day across the globe. As a result, the combined wealth of knowledge about surgical instruments is vast. Knowledge not just from the world's leading surgeons in cutting-edge hospitals, but also from surgeons working in improvised theatres in poverty-stricken or war-torn territories. The very best healthcare products need to be developed and made available globally to benefit all. So expansion across international markets is a key Surgeons Surgical goal. Each of our target markets has specific needs that are unique to their surgeons' own surgical practices. Surgeons Surgical has focused on meeting these unique needs as well as servicing the common requirements that each of these markets share. Through our international partners, we maintain a data bank of intelligence about the global market, and we know a great deal about our target customers. This information is leveraged to better understand how markets are developing, their specific needs, and how Surgeons Surgical can better communicate and serve them to mutual benefit. Valuing people and teamwork. Surgeons Surgical believe in developing the vitally important relationships between our business's two most valuable assets, our people and our customers. We aim to bring people together in a way that promotes creativity, connectedness, and collaboration. The Surgeons Surgical team is led by people who convey a clear vision of the team's purpose, provide the team with the necessary resources to complete their jobs, and maintain the team's overall character. Our excellent and experienced staff are both knowledgeable and eager to please, offering personalized customer service. At Surgeons Surgical, we make sure that each employee understands our way of delivering quality service to each customer. Our customer strategy is based on regular personal contact, with a high emphasis on open and honest discussion, exceptional customer service, and developing long-term, mutually beneficial relations. Community and stakeholders. There is a clear connection between a healthy and profitable business and the well-being of the community in which it does business. At Surgeons Surgical, we are committed to build a business that our staff, our customers, our suppliers, and our other stakeholders really value. We believe this enhances our business profile, performance, profitability, and reputation, and enables us to contribute back to our community. We are passionate about what we do, and we welcome and enjoy the help and support of like-minded individuals, companies, associations, and government organizations. Without the help and support of these partners, Surgeons Surgical would not have achieved the success we have so far. Surgeon's Voice, our flagship publication. Surgeon's Voice is our unique flagship publication written by surgeons for surgeons and the surgical instrument industry about surgical instruments. It focuses on the surgeon's viewpoint about surgical instruments. It makes them visible not only to fellow surgeons internationally, but also to the surgical instrument industry, thereby encouraging debate. It addresses end-user philosophy into surgical instruments, their use and development. Surgeon's Voice is made available to interested parties free of charge. Our unique customer proposition. Our unique customer proposition is that we supply surgical instruments developed by surgeons for surgeons. In order to do this, we give high priority to the viewpoint and wisdom of surgeons. We focus our product development on surgeons as the end users and key influencer in design, and understand surgeon-centered needs, wants, motivations, likes and dislikes. Our goal is to provide a surgeon's platform, a world-class environment for collaborative research into the ongoing development and continuous innovation of surgical instruments. We are actively establishing partnerships with surgeons across the globe for multidiscipline research and development, and we are bridging the significant gap between surgeons and the instrument manufacturing industry. Find out more about Surgeons Surgical. Surgeons Surgical is more than just a business. We are a global surgeons platform. We are developing an international reputation for surgical instruments of outstanding functional quality to meet surgeons' requirements. We aim to provide a cost-effective solution that will facilitate the most effective treatment of surgical diseases across the globe in the best public interest. To find out more about how we can help you, please visit our website www.surgins.co.uk and www.surgins.com.